Could there exist an unseen force, so powerful, so transformative, that it could revolutionize the way we perceive financial reporting? The answer is a resounding yes, and that force is artificial intelligence, or AI. Consider the case of a multinational corporation, Alpha Corp. Just a few years ago, Alpha Corp's financial reporting process was laborious, time-consuming, and fraught with human errors. The introduction of AI into their system turned the tables completely. Using a sophisticated AI model, Alpha Corp automated the process of data extraction, consolidation, and interpretation. The AI system could sift through hundreds of financial documents in a fraction of the time it took a human analyst. It could identify patterns, predict trends, and even generate forecasts with remarkable accuracy. The result? A drastic reduction in the time and cost of financial reporting, a huge boost in accuracy, and the ability to make quicker, data-driven decisions. But the benefits of AI in financial reporting go beyond efficiency and accuracy. It also brings about transparency. An AI system leaves a clear audit trail, making it easier to trace how data was collected, processed, and interpreted. In Alpha Corp's case, this made their financial reports more reliable and trustworthy, enhancing their reputation in the market. So what does this mean for the future of financial reporting? It means that AI is not just a nice-to-have, but a must-have. It is a tool that can handle large volumes of data, eliminate human error, and generate insights that can drive strategic decisions. In summary, the integration of AI in financial reporting, as illustrated by Alpha Corp's experience, brings about a trifecta of benefits: efficiency, accuracy, and transparency. It saves time and money, reduces errors, and enhances the credibility of financial reports. Moreover, it equips companies with the insights they need to stay ahead in a competitive market. AI in financial reporting is not just a fleeting trend, it is the future, and that future has already begun.